If you want to build a faceless YouTube channel, the number one factor that is going to have the biggest impact on your earnings and view potential is the niche you choose. For example, this channel is in the personal finance niche and they made over $1,100 with just 1,000 subscribers. Now here's another channel in the lifestyle niche and it has close to 35,000 subscribers and substantially more views, but as you can see, they make a significantly lower amount. This happens because in certain niches, advertisers pay more money to advertise their products or services on YouTube. And that is why we have done the legwork for you and studied over 100 faceless YouTube niches to identify the 10 best ones that can help you make the most amount of money in the least amount of time and effort possible. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you stick around till the end for a bonus segment to find out what's the easiest way to create faceless YouTube videos that will actually make you money. Let's get started. Now we have categorized and ranked the following 10 niches on the basis of 4 criteria. The first is CPM and RPM. CPM is the price per 1,000 views that YouTube charges from advertisers. This is important because for every dollar that YouTube makes, creators get about 55% of that. And that is your RPM or revenue per mil. So the higher the CPM of your niche, the higher the revenue you stand to make from AdSense. The second is view potential, or how easily your video can get picked up by the algorithm so that it starts getting views. Higher the competition in a niche, the more difficult it will be to get a slice of that YouTube view pie. Third is additional revenue sources, or the different ways you can monetize your videos beyond AdSense. These include things like affiliate links, selling courses, merch, or even brand deals. And finally, ease of video creation. That is how easy or difficult it is to create videos in that particular niche. Now at number 10, we have the lifestyle niche with a CPM ranging between $5 to $12 per 1,000 views. And while lifestyle creators are extremely popular for showcasing their life on camera, you can very easily create faceless videos in this niche, especially in segments like travel, cooking, art, etc. Now this is an art channel that gets over 850,000 views per month and makes anywhere between $200 to $3,500 per month from ad revenue. Now the best thing about lifestyle videos is that they're often super easy to create and don't require you to have an expertise in a particular field. But since the competition is high, it might take some time before your channel takes off and gets enough views for you to make a decent amount from AdSense alone. But you can definitely use affiliate marketing as an alternative revenue option even before your channel gets monetized. Here we have an art channel by Jimena Reno, and if you open the description on one of her YouTube videos, you can see affiliate links to all the products she uses in the video. Here's another channel that links all of the products they use in the description. Now coming to the 9th spot, we have the gaming niche with a CPM ranging between $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Now this is a great niche to build a faceless channel in because gameplays are extremely engaging for viewers, whether someone is present on screen or not. But this also means that this is a highly competitive niche and you need to bring in a unique perspective in order to stand out and gain more traction on your channel. Gamers Little Playground is one such channel with over 2 million subscribers and gets over 12 million views per month. And according to Social Blade, they can make up to $49,000 per month from AdSense alone. And if you look at their videos, some of them are literally just screen recordings. So if you're a gamer, it is definitely super easy to create videos in this niche. And besides AdSense, selling merch seems to be the popular revenue source in this niche. If you look at Gamers Little Playground's description, they always have a link to their merch store. This is because gaming is a community-based activity on YouTube, and having your own merch is a great way to make your viewers feel like they're a part of your community. Of course, affiliate links work great too. For instance, GameRanks here links to any new games they review, like Golem in this video. Now on number 8, we have the tech niche with the average CPM ranging between $9 to $18 per 1,000 views. Channels in this niche stand to make a good amount of money from AdSense alone. TechZone, for example, gets over 23 million views on their channel every month, and according to Social Blade, they make up to $92,000 per month. To put this into perspective, let's look at this channel by Daniel Owens. While he is a much smaller creator as compared to TechZone, if you look at this video where he shares his YouTube earnings, you can see that his CPM is in the $9 to $18 range, varying of course from video to video. The great thing about the tech niche is that it is great for faceless videos because you don't need to be present on camera, and for the most part, you probably also don't need to film footage. You can not only use stock clips and images, but also download video clips from videos on YouTube that are marked as Creative Commons. You can also use clips and images from the brand's own website and social media. And while the ease of creation makes it a competitive niche, if your videos are well made and you tap into trending topics, you do stand a chance to quickly go up the viewership ladder. And once your channel grows, you also stand to make a huge chunk of your revenue through affiliate links, as the commission for tech products is a lot higher than other lifestyle products or services. If you look at TechZone's videos itself, you will find affiliate links to several products in the description of each video. Now moving on to number 7, we have the automotive niche. Whether it is car reviews, comparisons, or just showcasing exceptional feats in the industry, automotive channels can be a great idea for faceless creators. The CPM here ranges between $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. Horseman Cars is a channel that makes comparison videos on cars using just images or stock media and research. They have over 46,000 followers and make up to $6,200 per month from AdSense alone. And to get a more realistic figure, let's look at this channel that has shared their earnings as an automotive channel on YouTube. And as you can see, they made around $22,000 for about 4 million views, which puts their RPM around 5.5, effectively putting their CPM above $10. Now, the thing to note with this niche is that the barrier to entry is much higher, and having a keen interest in the field is almost a prerequisite. Now, since you're talking about cars, you don't have to show your face on camera if you don't want to, but channels that film their footage often do better than the ones that use stock media. As for other revenue sources, affiliate income from linking to car accessories and other car products is at the top of the list. On number 6, we have the social media and the content creation or the meta content niche, where you showcase other creators how to create content and grow their brand online. InVideo's channel is actually a great example of a faceless channel in this niche. Now, the CPM for this niche is also in the $10 to $20 per 1,000 views range, and it is an extremely popular niche when it comes to getting a good amount of views on your videos because the search-based traffic is extremely high for this domain. Algro is a channel that creates a substantial number of faceless videos on growing and monetizing YouTube. They have over 400k subscribers and make up to $4,200 from AdSense alone. But besides the CPM, a channel in this niche stands to make a lot of revenue through alternative sources like affiliate links, selling courses, digital products, and even content behind a paywall. If you look at Algro's channel, you can see links to affiliate products, including his camera gear. Think Media, on the other hand, offers additional resources for creators like ebooks and courses. Now, the next niche on this list is business and e-commerce. This is one of the oldest and one of the most profitable niches on YouTube because it talks about a way through which people can actually make money, making these videos essential online real estate for advertisers. The CPM for this niche ranges between $15 to $30 per 1,000 views. We can see that for this faceless channel called Magnates Media that creates explainer videos about business stories, and they get close to 5 million views a month and make up to $19,700 per month from AdSense alone. Here's another channel called Young Entrepreneurs Forum that gets over 350,000 views per month and makes close to $1,500 from AdSense alone. As for additional revenue sources, both affiliate income and digital products are big in this niche. We can see that Magnates Media here does both. They have affiliate links to the services they're using, and they also sell their own courses too. Now coming to the big leagues. On number 4, we have the real estate niche, which in itself is quite broad. The CPM here ranges between $15 to $45 per 1,000 views. For instance, we have this video from Eric Conover, a real estate agent who showcases luxury properties. And we can see that for this particular video, his CPM is a little over $15. Exploring Alternatives is a great faceless channel in the niche. They get over 1 million views a month and make close to $6,000 per month from ad revenue alone. Now, both these channels were more towards the lifestyle aspect of real estate, but if we go to the investing side, the CPM and therefore the RPM increases quite a bit. Again, this is a great niche for faceless channels because viewers are more interested in seeing the properties or the investing information you share. Lionard Luxury Real Estate is a great example of such a channel. All their videos are just property showcases and they get a decent amount of views on them as well. And as you can see, the search volume for the real estate terms is quite high as well, making this a lucrative niche to target. And since the barrier for entry is slightly higher, this means that the competition is lower and you have a higher chance of getting your videos to rank on search. Now, when it comes to additional revenue sources, you can share actual property listings and earn affiliate commissions from them, as you can see Conover does in his videos. Exploring Alternatives does a similar thing with properties they cover on their channel. Now, moving on to number 3, we have the personal finance and budgeting niche. The CPM here ranges between $15 to $45 per 1,000 views. But the reason it ranks higher than real estate is because these videos are a lot easier to create and the barrier to entry for channels in this niche is very low. Practical Wisdom is a faceless channel in this niche that gets over 750,000 views a month and makes close to $2,000 a month from ad revenue. Now, while it's easy to create faceless videos in this niche, you should note that it is a competitive one, which means that it can take a little bit of time before you get your channel monetized and start making money. But regardless of your subscriber base, you have the option to earn commission from affiliate links as well as offer services and digital products to your subscribers. Now let's move on to the second most profitable niche on YouTube, which is trading and investing. Now this is an extremely lucrative niche because the CPM here ranges between $20 to $50 per 1,000 views. For instance, Trade IQ is a faceless trading channel that gets over 750,000 views a month and makes up to $3,000 from AdSense alone. In this space as well, you stand to earn additional income from affiliate links like Trade IQ does on their channel. And there's also the option to sell coaching or consultation services like Doyle Exchange here, but be extremely careful with this revenue source because different countries have different rules when it comes to giving financial advice without being a registered financial advisor. And finally, we move on to the niche in the first spot, which is making money online. The CPM here ranges from $22 to easily over $50. As an example, let's look at this channel, Amply Cash. They create faceless videos on making money online, and with just 5 videos on their page, they have over 35,000 subscribers. And according to Social Blade, make up to $2,000 per month from AdSense alone. Now, as we can see from Amply Cash's example, this is one of the easiest niches to create faceless videos in and still grow substantially in a short period of time. It is super easy to leverage videos in this niche for other revenue sources, including affiliate ones. And those were our top 10 faceless YouTube niches you can create content in to start growing and making money very, very quickly. But keep in mind that you will still need to create crisp, high quality content with good visuals to support the narrative. And thankfully, this is something that you can easily do from start to finish with InVideo. Let us show you how. Now, once you have your idea, go to InVideo and choose the text to video workflow. Here, scroll through to find a relevant template, and once you do, simply click on Use Template to go to the editor. Here we are going to use the AI coach to write a prompt for the script we want. Just click on the Use AI to write your script option and then write your prompt in the prompt box. Once you click Enter, you get the script below. Here you can make any changes to break down longer sentences and remove parts you don't like. Now once your script is finalized, click on the premium media checkboxes at the bottom of the script box and click on Create Scenes, and InVideo will suggest stock footage and music from our library to create video scenes for you in real time. Now once your basic structure is ready, you want to go ahead and replace the placeholder media in the template with your own. For that, go to the Video tab in the left menu and search for clips using relevant keywords. Once you find a clip you like, simply drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit replace in the pop-up window that appears. This will open up another pop-up window where you want to trim the duration of the clip to match the duration of the scene. Select this option at the bottom, then click Add, and your media will replace the template default. Do this for all the scenes you feel necessary. For the text, you can just select it on the canvas and use the menu on top to make adjustments to the font, size, color, animation, and even add or remove effects. Now once your media and text are ready, you want to go ahead and add your voiceover. Click on the voiceover option at the bottom of the screen and this will take you over to the editor workflow. Here, simply select the automated text-to-speech voiceover option. InVideo has added several new human-sounding AI voices. Make sure you select from those and then generate your voiceover, and InVideo will add it to the timeline. The final step is to adjust the music. If you don't like the automatically selected music track, go to the music library on the left and choose a new track based on mood or genre. Once you find a track you like, delete the existing music track on the timeline and then click on the plus icon next to the chosen track to add it to the timeline. Then select it and use the music and fade controls on top to lower the volume of the soundtrack so that the voiceover is audible. And with that, your video is ready. And once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and hit export.